Hello all, good evening. So welcome to today's Bank Nifty analysis. So let's get started. First, coming to the macros, as we can see, dollar index continued its downtrend. It is still in the downtrend, and today, as we know, we have a major event. The market is awaiting the Fed's interest rate decision tonight. So a big event for the global markets. So and dollar index continued its downtrend as usual. So let us see how the market reacts post the Fed event. It all depends on the Fed's rate decision and the commentary. But looking at the price action, market is expecting a dovish commentary. So if we get anything apart from this, so we might see maybe a different reaction from the market. But anyway, market is currently pricing in 25 basis points hike, and looking forward to a dovish no commentary. Now coming to the Bank Nifty price chart. So as I discussed yesterday that the price needs some kind of retracement. It was continuously going up without any retracement. So today we got that retracement, and if you can observe from the previous swing, from this level to the high of yesterday, you find that price takes support at the point 0.5 level. So again, this is a very strong confirmation that if price takes support at point 0.5 or point 0.6 level, point 0.6 is even stronger. But if it takes support at point 0.5, then definitely it is a good sign that market is heading back on the upside. So this was the retracement, we can say, for this up move. This is a retracement, and price is now heading backwards. Alternatively, if you can look for the reverse way, I mean, when you look for the price confirmation from the top. Like, for example, if we take this as the top and look for the retracement, price exactly stops at the point 0.6 level. So you can see that for this down move, the price as of now is taking uh, kind of resistance at this retracement level. So since it's an even day, so both the sides momentum is on. I mean, if I have to analyze it, if the commentary is dovish, so definitely this is going to be broken, and price will definitely head higher. And if kind of hawkish commentary we see, for temporarily we can see a rejection from this level. So overall, markets are poised for both the directions, and prices behaved today as expected. And due to the event, market was pretty much neutral to having a positive bias. And coming to the order flow, as we can see, the uh, first candle, there was a gap down because of the global context, and you can see that the candle is green and the delta is red, and the delta is losing in the sense of from 56k 40k, there is a 15k loss of delta. So although minor in such a low delta, but still it is holding its low with a lower wick and closing in green. So kind of positive bias, and also with the context that this is the 50% level for the previous retracement, a kind of support we can expect. And then price continue to go high. Here we can see that as it goes up, there is a increase in delta, again confirming the positive bias going ahead. And we can see the price easily sits above the VWAP, and then green candle, and then you can see that the delta increases. So a positive bias definitely comes to picture. But since it is an event day, and market is looking forward to the result, so it was a range bound action. And coming when you look at the OI also, this becomes clear, because yeah, let me show this on the OI chart. When you look at the OI chart, let me erase this. So when you look at the OI chart, you find that today there was unwinding at the highest level. So why the price did not go beyond a certain point is because you can see that there is no supporting put OI at the time. In fact, there was put unwinding at the higher levels, and good put writing at the lower levels. So we saw good put writing at the lower levels, that is 43,000, 43,100, and 43,200. But there was put unwinding at the higher level. So that is why price did not go beyond a particular point. In fact, there was call unwinding also at the lower strikes. You can see here that there was call unwinding at 43,000 and put writing at, so 43,000 is kind of emerging as a strong support. So as we can see from the overall chain, that 43 as of now appears to be a strong support And today we saw additions at 43,200 also. 43,500 remains the overall resistance. But today, for some reason, intraday there was put unwinding at 43,400 and 43,500. In fact, maybe because of the event market is still considering to wait for the Fed's decision, and this was even. I mean, the unwinding was visible very early itself. For example, if you see this is at around morning itself, at around 10:40, the morning itself, maybe the high of the day was probably decided at 43,300. Because when you see unwinding at higher levels, you generally come to a conclusion that price will not go beyond that level. So this was one hint which OI gave, that price is probably not going higher. So I think OI gave a good hint about this. So, and coming to the order flow again, as you see with the order flow, we can see exhaustion, because with the 20k without any loss of delta, we see a doji happening, and price reverses back to the same demand zone from the morning. Again, this is a 50% zone, so price we get a good buying opportunity again, because here you can see condition of limit buying emanating, because with the negative delta, that is 17k, 19k, we see a good a hammer type of candle forming at the support. So we must see the candlestick action at the support zone, because we already discussed that this is the 50% level for this retracement. So uh, hammer candle at the support, order flow confirming a limit buying condition, so it's a clean buy with stop loss below this. So the market gave back a good move till the days high. So this is how one could trade even this price action. In fact, I took this trade twice, in the sense that first up move was this, and then second up move I traded the same thing. In fact, I repeated both of my trades. So this was the case, and then as you can see, as it reaches the previous swing high, you can see that since the delta is not increasing, I mean, so when I say it's not increasing, it is relative, not increasing vis-a-vis this, right? So this is the highest delta for the day. In order to break the resistance, it has to come with a higher delta, but that didn't happen, and you can see shooting star type of candle at the top, but it's not falling because there's good amount of put writing at the lower levels, and call unwinding also. So overall, on the closing, the sentiment was a bit positive, but since there is no put writing at the higher levels, the market is not going up. So overall, sideways to positive day with gap down. Interestingly, the best part about today was there was a good amount of price retracement. So this is healthy for the markets if it has to go further upside. So now it's up to the Fed, based on its decision and commentary, market will take future direction. But anticipating that, if you look at on the daily chart, prices. Yeah, and you look at the daily chart, it is index is very strong. It has broken this swing, and when we look at the next swing, which is is this, for example, if you mark the retracement for the overall, so uh, it's almost certain that it's going to break this 43 710. But again, fingers crossed. And when you look at when it breaks this, so the final swing which remains is the overall high from last year, last December. So price is comfortably sitting above the 0.786 level. It is consolidated around 0.618. So I'm expecting that, at least looking at the charts, that it can test this pretty soon, 44 to 48. So because the dollar index is also supportive of this, because it's continuously in the downtrend, and most importantly, running up to the event. So let us see how the market reacts post today's Fed's decision. So hope this analysis was helpful. Thank you.